Alright, so I'll be real brief with this, then we'll get into the outfits. Cool Gray 4s dropped last week, I think on Thursday. Yeah, they dropped on Thursday. I went into the mall, picked them up, super easy. You can still get a pair if you want to grab them. They're on shelves, they're online. Really a clean pair of shoes that I wanted to get on release day, so that's exactly what I did. There's 2 questions I always get, so I want to answer them for you guys right now. Sizing, it's true to size, very true to size. I'm typically an 11.5. That's what I got in these. They fit me great. Quality, you know, it's nothing to write home about, but that's kind of what you expect at this point. It's very similar to the Bread 4s. So if you have a pair of those, that's what you can expect from these as far as quality goes. As far as these outfits go, like I said, I got them on Thursday and I've worn them every day since. So I rocked them Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You'll see all those outfits in this video, just very casual summer fits. Everyone's style is a little bit different. This is just my take on how I prefer to wear these. You may totally disagree. That's all good, but I still hope you enjoy the video. So let's get into it. Hit that thumbs up one time if you do like it, and subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.